Sponsored by
PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन।
In a historic move, the Ministry of Home Affairs has taken a step ahead by officially initiating the Citizenship Amendment Act implementation in West Bengal, Uttarakhand and Haryana. This significant development signals a crucial step forward in the execution of the CAA, with empowered committees in these states now actively engaged in the process of granting citizenship to eligible individuals. The announcement is made at a crucial moment just before the 7th round of voting for the Lok Sabha elections, scheduled for June 1 in a number of constituencies in West Bengal. Now that the citizenship granting procedure has begun, qualified individuals will be able to get citizenship certificates, which represents an essential step forward in the implementation of the law. Prior to this, MHA issued the first set of certificates to 14 refugees on May 15 to 14 applicants, officially kickstarting the initiative. Remarkably, 300 citizenships were bestowed on day one, showcasing unwavering execution, a resolute stride towards inclusivity and efficiency, setting a formidable precedent for citizenship rights worldwide.
11 साल के हम जो ये तकलीफ के बाद जो ये मोदी जी ने और अमित शाह जी ने ये जो काम किया है,
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। हमें नागरिकता मिल गई हमको।
जितने भी हमारे ऊपर जो ये एक पाकिस्तान की जो ये नाम था वो हट गया, इसलिए हमारे को ये बहुत खुशी हुई कि हमारे को आज इंडिया का मतलब हमारे को बहुत सम्मान मिला है इंडिया के अंदर, अपने भारत माता के अंदर। इसकी हमारे को बहुत खुशी है।
और मेरा भी सपना है कि मैं पढ़ लिख के आगे बढ़ूं और मैं आज भारतीय कहला रही हूँ, तो मेरे को बहुत खुशी हो रही है।
In a significant stride towards implementing the Citizenship Amendment Act 2024, the process commenced with the notification of the Citizenship Amendment rules on March 11. District-level committees are diligently processing applications, which are further scrutinized by state-level empowered committees, adhering to the prescribed guidelines. The CAA has been the subject of heated discussion and demonstrations ever since it was passed in December 2019. The government's unflinching resolve is demonstrated by the BJP sticking to its platform promises in spite of the opposition's baseless criticism, questioning its influence on constitutional rights.